Welcome to Crochet Basics with Melissa from C. Melissa Craft and a Crafter's Paradise. For all my project patterns, tutorials, tips, and tricks, please visit cmelissacraft.com. For all my project kits and supplies, please visit acraftersparadise.com. Let's look at how to single crochet into a stitch. To single crochet in another stitch, you would insert your hook into the stitch. So you insert it into the two loops at the top of the stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through two loops, and that is one single crochet. Again, insert your hook into the stitch, the top two loops of the stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through two loops. Insert into the stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through two loops. Hook into stitch, yarn over and a loop up, yarn over, pull through two loops.